Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm giving you 8 inspiring tips to paleo diet challenges and their solutions. Let's get started.
Overcoming challenges you will face. Like any diet program, the paleo diet is going to require some changes. These can be difficult and may be a challenge. There are several things you can do to help make the transition a little smoother. When you have a few tools and tips at your disposal, you'll find this diet plan isn't as difficult as you may think. Cut costs. You may notice that you're spending more on your groceries. Organic foods can cost more than those that aren't produced organically. You may need to adjust your monthly budget to accommodate for this. One way you can work to keep the cost down is to shop seasonally and look for local farmer markets. You can also start your own organic garden to help add fresh produce at a fraction of the cost. Buying in bulk can also help you to save money. Look for organic products at your local wholesale clubs and you'll find that you can get more for less. With meat, you can go to a local farmer and purchase a portion of a cow or pig and have it butchered for far less than you would pay retail. However, you'll need to have a large freezer where you can keep the meat for storing it long term. While you'll need to outlay some capital at first, you'll get it back over the future months. Keep your environment clean. You may also realize, once you get started, that temptation is everywhere. If you have a lot of processed foods in your home, this is the time to get rid of them. If you just can't bring yourself to throw it away, try donating it to a food bank or some other worthy cause. You'll also need to learn a new way of cooking and preparing food on a daily basis. If you're used to eating from a box or frozen meals, or even from the drive-thru, you'll definitely have some adjustments to make. Enlist a friend. When you're new to a diet, it helps to have the support of a friend. Find a friend who's already on this plan, or is ready to begin, and stick together. This is a great way to get help and support. You can also find assistance from online support groups where you can ask questions, share ideas and experiences, and feel that you're not alone.
Hello again. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a like. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my new videos. If you'd like my free report, Alternative Medicines and Therapies, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.